Good morning students, this is GK video. Today we are starting with the page number 33, that is National Film Awards. So the National Film Award are the most prestigious film award in India that recognize the best talent in Indian cinema. Take the correct option to see how much you know about them. So Indian Film Award is given to those actors or talented people who are related to Indian cinema. Clear? So what they have done according to their work, they are given awards. So in which year was the first National Film Awards given? So in 1954 the first film award was given. Clear? This Gujarati film won 2019 Best Feature Film Award. The film revolves around a group of females living in the Rann of Kutch who are bound by patriarchy. Patriarchy means जो अभी तक चला आ रहा है पुराने से वही सोच रखना या फिर वही पुरानी सोच को एम्फोसिस करना या फिर ये चीज़ है. तो रन ऑफ कच्छ में कुछ फीमेल ग्रुप्स के लिए बात की गई थी इस फिल्म के अंदर और इनको फिल्म गुजराती फिल्म में अवार्ड मिला था. तो कौन सा फिल्म था? हेलारो. Which film director was won the National Film Award for Best Direction 6 time? 6 टाइम के लिए बेस्ट डायरेक्शन का अवार्ड किसको मिला था? कौन से डायरेक्टर थे वो? सत्यजीत रे. नाउ 2015 Amitabh Bachchan won the Best Actor award for his portrayal of the character Bhaskar Banerjee. Name the film. That was Piku. The South Indian actress won the Best Actress award for Telugu film Mahanati in 2019. That is Kirti Suresh. The singer has won the Best Male Playback Singer award 8 times. He won the award in 2017 for Poe Maranja Kalam in Malayalam. That was KJ Yasudas. This young actress won the Best Supporting Actress award for playing young Geeta Phogat in 2016. That was Zaira Wasim. Which actress has won the most Best Actress award? That was Shabana Azmi. Who is the only female director to win the Best Director award? That is Aparna Sen. Clear? And there is a fact file that is talking about Amitabh Bachchan has won the Best Actor award 4 times, followed by Kamal Hassan and Mumoti, each with 3 awards. इन दोनों को 3 अवार्ड्स मिले हैं, लेकिन अमिताभ बच्चन को 4 अवार्ड मिले हैं नेशनल फिल्म अवार्ड. क्लियर? नाउ टर्न द पेज एंड कम टू द पेज नंबर 34. It is talking about some Nobel Prize winners. So these are the names of the Nobel Prize winners and these are the fields which you have to fill up with the pencil or the pen, and this is the year on which they have got the Nobel Prize, and these are the contribution column what they have did. So because of that they have taken the Nobel Prize. So complete the following table in the Nobel Prize winners of India origin to see how well you know them. So Rabindranath Tagore, you all know that he is writing poems and stories in English and he was very good poet. So he is having the field of literature, and it was the year 1913 and his contribution was first verse in English. Now C.V. Raman got a Nobel Prize for physics, and in 1930 he got that. And scattering of light, whenever the prism, you will understand that prism is the glass kind of triangular shape it is having. When the light passes through it, it scatters the light into 7 colors. Clear? That is the theory which has given by the C.V. Raman. Clear? Scattering of light. Now third one is Hargobind Khurana. Hargobind Khurana is having the relation with the field of medicine. So he got the contribution on the genetic core and its function protein synthesis. Clear? So whatever the protein we are getting from the food, it is synthesized by our body. So which genetic code is there and what its functions are there, that he has find out. Fourth one, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was talking about the peace. Mother Teresa was having the field of peace. She was helping the poor while living among them. Clear? So she got the Nobel Prize in 1979. Now Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar got the Nobel Prize in Physics, and he got the contribution of theoretical studies on processes of stars. Clear? Now for sixth one, Amartya Sen. He got the Nobel Prize in the field of economic sciences, and his contribution was welfare economics. Seventh, Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. He got the field in chemistry, structure and function of ribosome. Kailash Satyarthi got peace in the field of peace, and his struggle was against suppression of children. Abhijit Banerjee, he got in the field of economics and elevating global poverty. So this is all about your GK chapter, and this is your homework to read out on the chapter, and if you have any doubt you can ask in the class. So it is the very easiest one. There is no difficult words given. You can easily understand in it, and if you have any doubt in this chapter you can ask. Thank you so much.